everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today is Friday, August 9th, 2019. What does that mean? That means that it's a giveaway Friday, and this is what I'm giving away. I'm going to show you guys what it is, tell you about it, but I hope you guys like it. I first want to say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. It helps me out so much, and I'm very grateful. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. Now what is the giveaway? This week's giveaway is going to be 12 skeins of this Village Yarn Sweetie Pie. It comes from Hirschners.com. I do a lot of shopping online from Hirschners. They have really nice yarn. It's pretty inexpensive and it gets the job done, so I don't mind it. But this is Sweetie Pie yarn. It is like a Caron Simply Soft times 10, in my opinion. It might not be a times 10, but it's so soft and it's kind of shiny. It's almost like thread, kind of, like the sheen of like a thread, but it's just so soft. I hope you guys like it. It is a DK weight or a 3 light. It is 100% acrylic, but it's like a premium acrylic because it is so soft, and the yarn does tend to split a little. But even with Caron Simply Soft, the yarn splits just because it is a higher quality acrylic. You get 138 yards, and the hook size is an H or a 5mm, and needles are size 6. So that's what it calls for. Like I said, it is from Hirschners, but you're getting 12 of them. So there's 12 skeins in this week's giveaway. You get 2 of this minty green color, 2 bright yellow, 3 of these like baby blues, very pretty baby blue color. And then we have more of like an eggshell blue, I want to say. It's called baby blue. What's this called? This is called cloudless. This is called baby blue. It's like a light blue and like a lighter, darker, lighter blue. I don't know. One of those, a gray color, a white, a purple, like a violet, really pretty purple color, and then a very bright pink color. So these 12 skeins are in the giveaway for this week. I hope you guys like it. And all you have to do to enter, remember, all my giveaways on Fridays, all you have to do to enter is 1, be a U.S. resident. It's only open to U.S. at the current time. I will let you know if that changes. 2, you have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure your notifications are turned on. You can click the bell icon, go into your notifications, however, but if you're just now subscribing, when you click subscribe, there'll be a little bell that pops up. Click that bell. Your notifications will be turned on, so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and every week I'm going to ask you guys a question to answer below in the comments. This week's question is, what is your favorite song? It can be a song from your childhood, it can be a song from today. Doesn't matter. What is your favorite song? Your all-time favorite song? That's what I'm curious about today. So answer the question below in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, notifications turned on, and make sure you're a U.S. resident. So that's today's giveaway, you guys. That is our very second giveaway Friday, number 2, and it's 12 skeins of this super soft Sweetie Pie yarn from Hirschners. So that's it. Remember, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite song is. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for today. That is our second giveaway Friday. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. And until Tuesday, which is August, I think, 13th, Tuesday, August 13th, 2019, I will be announcing a winner. So get to commenting, let me know what your favorite song is, and I will let you know who wins on Tuesday, August 13th, 2019. So until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.